Welcome to ICICIdirect.com Investor Help Videos. In this video, you will learn how to buy stocks on ICICIdirect.com. Let's get started now. Log on to your ICICIdirect.com account using your username, password, and date of birth or your PAN card number. This will take you to Trade and Invest page. Click on Equity on left-hand side panel. The first thing you must do here is to allocate funds for trading. You can allocate any amount you wish to. In this case, you can see rupees 2000 are already allocated. Let's add rupees 1000 more to make it rupees 3000. This amount gets blocked for transaction, but it is not debited from your account. Now select Add and click on Submit. And your bank will allocate money from the net withdrawal balance to secondary market equity trading, that is, for buying shares. Next, go to Place Order option under Equity on left-hand side panel. Select Cash Buy to begin your first investment. You can choose the product you wish to start investing in, Cash Buy or Flexi Cash. In Cash Buy, you buy stocks with 100% upfront payment. These stocks then get credited to your Demat account in T+2 days. After that, you can sell them anytime you want. Under Flexi Cash, you can buy stocks by paying a margin amount of as low as 11%. You can hold your positions for up to 6 days and bring remaining funds in those 6 days and convert to delivery. For now, let's begin with Cash Buy. Select the exchange you prefer, BSE or NSE. Click on View Your Limit to see the amount available for trading. Enter the stock code of the company you want to trade in. Let's say Infosys. Start typing the initial letters of the company's name and use the drop-down menu to select the correct stock. You can also explore the options that open under Get Quote. Click on the current market price to see details such as last traded price, day high, day low, day open, previous closing price, etc. You can also see the best 5 bids and offers, the top sellers and top buyers, and their prices. Next, enter the quantity. Let's say you want to buy 1 share of Infosys. You can also use the calculator to calculate the maximum number of stocks you can buy with your allocated funds. Select the order validity, day, IOC, or VTC. Let's choose day order. Next, you have to select your order type, market or limit. Select market order if you want to buy a stock at its current market price. You can also select the limit order and specify the price at which you wish to buy the stock. Add the price and click on Buy Now to place the order. Now you can see the order verification page. As a good practice, thoroughly check and verify the details on this page before you proceed. Now you're all set to execute your first trade. Click on Proceed to confirm the order and your order would be sent to exchange. Now that you have placed your order successfully, check your order book and trade book. Next, on the left-hand side panel, click on Projection, Cash and Security. The cash projection page shows exchange, segment, settlement number, and amount. You can know the details like the date and time at which your amount used for buying or selling stocks would be debited from or credited to your account. On the equity security projection page, you can see the details like date and time of when your stocks would be debited from or credited to your account. This page also displays the maximum sell quantity permitted, blocked quantity, or available quantity of shares in Buy Today, Sell Tomorrow column. Now that you have placed your order and verified the details, you can also check your portfolio for the details about your stock. Portfolio gets updated on T+1 day. The portfolio section gives you details like percentage change in your stock's price, realized or unrealized profit or loss. The Action column gives you direct access to buy or sell the stock in your portfolio. It also offers you a one-click option of checking corporate action on your stock. Clicking on the plus sign gives you all the details about your stock such as result updates, news, opening price, low price, last closing price, and so on. By clicking on these arrows here, you can activate alerts on this stock or set up an SEP. Explore ICICIdirect.com for value-added features like SEP, Systematic Equity Plan, Stock and News, and What's Hot on ICICIdirect.com. Try it yourself. Investing is quite easy at ICICIdirect.com. Hope you enjoyed watching this video.